From calorie count to portion sizes, we wanted to find out all the differences between Pocky in Japan and the US. This is Food Wars. In Japan, our Pocky comes in a 72-gram box, which contains 2 pockets and a 9-pack.
Our Pockies come in basically 3 sizes: the 1.14 ounce box, the 2.47 ounce box, and the 4.13 ounce boxy bag. But our strawberry flavored box is smaller than this chocolate box. This is a 3.81 ounce box, which is 0.32 ounces smaller than this one. Largest box bag is this, the cookies and cream flavor, which is 4.57 ounces, or 0.44 grams larger than the chocolate box. One theory, my theory, is that the Pocky boxes contain a specific number of Pocky sticks, and each Pocky is a different weight based on the flavor coding. So we're gonna weigh each Pocky individually to see if this is true. All right, chocolate first. So 7 of these are 13 grams. Can someone write that down? Strawberry. 7 is 13 grams. Was that what the first one was? Okay. Cookies and cream. Cookies and cream, 7 of them are 18 grams. Well, the cookies and cream ones are definitely a lot heavier. A lot heavier.
So let's see how many Pocky are in a box. 1, 2, 3, 32, 33, 34. 34 Pocky in total. So one pocket has 17 Pocky and another one also has 17 Pocky.
Let's see how many Pockies are in this box. Oh man. Is this normal? I think I could count them. Like, do you want to get like a close-up on there before? So 1, 2, 3, those are broken ones. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. You know how everyone was complaining about how I eat Kit Kats in the Kit Kat episode? Here's all the Pockies that are native to the US that are not in Japan.
And here are all the Pockies native to Japan.
Cookies and cream. Cookies and cream. Not a solid block, so that's good. Yeah. 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 I like those. This looks like fun, Yuli. Chocolate banana, have you had these before? You have? Yeah, That banana flavor hits like right away. Oh no. Matcha green tea. Any Food Wars heads watching know. Joe does not like matcha. Smells like a freshly cut lawn. Yeah, nah. There's also a crunchy strawberry flavor you can get here in the US, but I was not able to get my hands on it by the time of filming this episode, so here's just regular strawberry. Uh-oh. Oh, another solid block. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Put me in jail for crimes against Pockies.
George's energy. Boom! Let's go! All right, let's start with this one. We have Pocky Luxury Milk Chocolate. Is it Pocky? You look like corn dog. What happened to you? It's got milk and fermented butter flavor. And we have another corn dog. It's an almond milk flavor. おしゃれだね. Yes, strong almond milk flavor. I prefer this one, the milk chocolate, but both are so short. You should be longer. You too. We have this ultra thin Pocky. Oh, you're so thin this time. This one is short. This one is so thin. We have tasty Why is it tasty? Oh, fermented butter is used for this stick. Ooh. It's got just a little bit of butter flavor. I still prefer this one, this corn dog. Almond crush. It's a little bit different. Look at the pockets. Yeah, obviously it's got almonds. Okie dokie Pocky. Itadakimasu. I love this. I love this. We've got Pocky chocolate coconut. Oh, this one is also this style of pockets. Oh. It's pretty similar with this one, almond crush. Yeah, obviously it's got coconut flavor and also it's got a little bit of saltiness. It's not my case. Strawberry chocolate Pocky. Oh. Right after you bite this, you get some sweetness, but after that you get sourness. It smells so strong. I can smell it from here. Cocoa powder Pocky. And it says you can only get this in winter season. Oh yeah, look at this. It's got cocoa powder. 美味しいこれ。We've got the cutest Pocky ever. Cherry heart-shaped Pocky. Aha! Oh, look at this! Heart is in there! How cute! And this part, cherry chocolate, is so awesome. You get strong cherry flavor. We've also got blueberry heart-shaped chocolate Pocky. Ooh, look at this! So blue. This color doesn't make me want to eat this. But let's try. Itadakimasu. Ooh! So sour. But look at this heart-shaped Pocky. Not for me. This is what I've been waiting for. Sakura matcha. So sakura means cherry blossom. Cherry blossom matcha taste. Ooh. Look at this! So it's got matcha chocolate and this stick is pink. This is so Japanese Pocky. Just sweet matcha. The feeling of spring has come to my life. Spring is here in my body. Haru ga kita, haru ga kita. And everybody's curious what these are. Megami no ruby, otona no kohaku. What does it mean? I don't even know. Anyway, so it says Megami no ruby. It means like goddess ruby. Otona no kohaku. In English, it says amber, kind of like stone, fossil, jewel. It says it goes well with red wine. Interesting. Ta-da! It looks like regular chocolate Pocky. Oh, what is this? This taste itself is like berries. This one goes well with whiskey. It's pretty close to dark chocolate. It's bitter. In Japan, we have these gokuboso extra fine Pocky, which are roughly half the thickness of a regular chocolate Pocky.
And in the US, ours are called the Ultra Slim.
I got a new digital scale. What I'm gonna do is weigh a regular chocolate Pocky, 2.13 grams. So ultra thin Pocky. So it weighs 1.52 grams.
Thinner. That's it. Here's the big boy. Here's the thin. Is it able to do this? Okay, like get out of the way so it's just the white background. 23, 24, 25, and there's another bag in here, so 50 per box. Okay, so 50 instead of 36. 7 regular Pockies are 13 grams. Let's see how many slim ones we need to get to 13 grams. 5, 6, 7, 8.5. 8.5 slim ones are the same as 7 regular ones? Is that much slimmer? I guess that's slimmer. Does anyone else think that that's like not significant enough to be a selling point? Pocky adjusts its sweetness for different countries. Not surprisingly, the US ones are meant to be sweeter. I'm gonna do a taste test side by side. You got the American ones, here's the Japanese one, and we're gonna see just how different they taste. I'm worried that these are also gonna be a Pocky popsicle. Oh no, okay. Japanese. These are the only Japanese ones I could find. Obviously they're bigger, I don't know if this is the norm. In the baseline sweetness. Yeah. Yeah, it's noticeably different. They taste identical, but ours has like a sweet aftertaste. I like the Japanese ones much better.
So Pocky is in the Guinness World Records 3 times. It's the largest chocolate-coated biscuits brand, has the most mentions of a brand name on Twitter in 24 hours, which was 3,710,044 times. And finally, was part of the most people opening packaged food online simultaneously, with 143 people.
143 people, that's it? That doesn't seem like that many. I feel like I've been on Zoom work calls with 143 people in it, right? It would have been literally one email to set that up.
I can do 影分身の術. Now, I got more than 200 George's clones right here, simultaneously. 3, 2, 1. Now, I broke the Guinness World Records. So November 11th is known as a Pocky no Hi, or Pocky Day in Japan. This date was chosen because a Pocky is shaped like a 1, and November 11th visually looks like 4 Pocky. And also, Pretz are included in this day, November 11th, which is the pretzel version of Pocky. And in Japan, you can get them in flavors like salad, ripe tomato, sweet potato, and roasted bread flavor.
In the US, we also have Pretz, and we get these fun flavors like sweet corn, fun, and pizza. Oh God. There's nothing on it. Nope. I mean, yeah, it tastes like corn. Why though? What is the demand for corn-flavored sticks? Besides pizza, anything flavored like pizza is terrible. Even pizza combos aren't very good. No. I mean, it's up there with like croutons. Does anyone grab a handful of croutons on the go? Anyone just eating a box of croutons? Like, these probably would be good on something.
In Japan, our chocolate Pocky box per 100 grams has 506 calories. Adjusted for the box size, 72 grams, the package contains 364.3 calories. And let's break it down even further to per Pocky. One Pocky contains, on average, 11.38 calories.
A US chocolate Pocky box contains 340 calories, just a little bit less than a Japanese box, but note there is a 2-gram difference. Now, here at Food Wars, we thrive on scientific accuracy, so let's break it down per Pocky. One US Pocky is 9.4444444444444444 calories.
The highest calorie Pocky in Japan is to be determined. We emailed the customer service, but we didn't get their response. What are you doing? Hurry up! But I guess this Pocky is the most calorific Pocky. It's 196 calories. So it should be, because it's got a lot of butter in it.
The US Pocky with the most calories is the cookies and cream. It contains total 630 calories. There's no question I could murder this whole box in one sitting. 630 calories, that's nothing. That's like kind of reassuring, like, wow, only 630? Found my breakfast.
Japan Pocky contains these ingredients: wheat flour, sugar, cacao mass, vegetable oils, whole milk powder, shortening, malt extract, starch, salt, yeast, cocoa powder, butter, emulsifier, flavoring, leavening agent, annatto coloring, and mineral salt.
Any US Pocky contains wheat flour, sugar, chocolate liqueur, blend of vegetable oils, that blend being sunflower oil, palm oil. Whole milk powder, vegetable oil shortening, which is palm oil, hydrogenated palm oil. Got cocoa butter, salt, artificial flavors, yeast, soy lecithin, leavings, sodium bicarbonate, mono and diglycerides of fatty acids. Wink.
In Japan, our Pocky contains malt extract, which is sometimes used as a replacement for sugar in baking. It contains lots of maltose, a type of sugar which actually has a higher glycemic index value than normal sucrose. So it's a surprise that American Pocky are supposed to be sweeter.
There are actually differences in the types of cocoa used. If you've watched the US versus UK Snickers episode, you know that American chocolate is not so great. In the US, our Pockies are made with chocolate liqueur and cocoa butter. Chocolate liqueur is just cocoa that's been processed into semi-solid form and is actually around 50% cocoa butter itself. The trouble is, for an American product to be classified as milk chocolate, it only needs to contain around 10% of chocolate liqueur, and the rest can be made up of sugars and various ingredients.
In Japan, the rules are different depending on the type of product. Milk chocolate material must contain at least 21% cocoa content, double the required amount in America. So our chocolate has more chocolate. Are you jealous of us? Come to Japan.
So if I had to go favorite flavors, I'm gonna go number 1, number 2. These two Pocky. These are the best ones. Grab your Glocky when you see two Pocky.